Nothing.
Fucking Jesus pounding fucking Mary Magdalene, you know what I mean? This is the real story of fucking Jesus. Serious people. But you know what I mean? I mean, who rolls around with a whore and doesn't bang it? Like, I mean, I know the 40-year-old virgin, that guy would fucking use putting the pussy on a pedestal. Stolen fucking, you know, he figured it out. You fucking get your thing hard and you stick it in the hole. Then you go to Series B flying fucking kites so fucking high. I mean, fuck the unicorn trip. That was just the start of things. Fucking, I thought the metronome was going for me. Dude, Jesus. Fucking kick me a beat, bro. Fucking AC units and shit. Fucking Jesus smoked my AC. I'm Freon out of my AC, bro. Fucking studio time. Fucking Jesus asked me for studio time, bro. Fucking Jesus. Fucking blows the whole fucking unit up, dude. Fucking Dr. Box. You know, I don't know where the fuck he's at. He's still running around the Illuminati or something. Fucking Jesus, you know, just fucking. I'm working with this fucking bot guy here. Not Dr. Box, the bot. Dr. Box, the bot. You know, for real serious people. Fucking guy's a little weird, you know what I'm saying? Fucking Jesus. Supposed to be doing this everything all years, fucking tink tonk, fucking Chinese music, you know. Came back from fucking Tokyo or something. Chinese New Year. Just fucked a couple of days ago. Fucking when Jesus was partying. For a couple of hookers, Mary Magdalene and friends.
Mike!
And I'm outside of Mike!